Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Pompompurin, which is Sanrio's adorable character. Let's get started. Let's start by drawing his beret, which is his hat. For that we just draw an oval shape and there is a little nub on top. Then we go ahead and draw one of his floppy ear, and then draw a curved line downwards and draw his rounded paw because he's seated. Then we draw a curved line and finish the second paw. After that we extend a curved line going upwards and finish his next beautiful floppy ear. And our outline is pretty much done. Now we go into the details of the face. We draw 2 dots for the eyes, and we can draw one V shape and fill it in for the nose, and we draw a W shape for the mouth. Then we go ahead and draw the heart. It's just like an inverted 3 for the top part of the heart, and then we draw the paws showing that he's holding the heart, and finally we just finish the heart. That's pretty much it. The drawing is ready. I hope you found it easy. Because it's very easy, let's draw one more. Let's start by drawing an oval shape for the hat and that little nub on top. Then we can draw the floppy ear. And then we can draw a curved line going downwards and continue to draw his feet. Then extend the line upwards and finish the next ear. Then we go and fill in the details. We draw eyes, which are just simple dots. Then draw a V shape for the nose, fill it in, and then we draw 2 short curves for the mouth, and we also draw a U shape. Then we can draw Pompompurin's hands. Those are just simple U shapes. And for this pose, we are also going to draw his tail. And again, you have the drawing ready. Now, to color this drawing, you have many options. I use a hoo-hoo markers, one yellow, one brown, and one red. You can use whatever you have on hand. You can also use regular markers, or you can use colored pencils, or even crayons or oil pastels. You have a ton of options. I hope you enjoyed drawing Pompompurin with me. If you liked it, give it a like and share this video with a friend. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.